Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, go na to the reaction video. Kim Chu, ready na mag-settle down. This time, ako naman, gabi may forever na talaga ang Kim Pao. Sige nga, tingnan natin to for today's video. Without further ado, let's start this reaction video.
Ngayon, sana ako naman. Wow!
Ay, sana ako naman. Ay, si Paulo. Ano chika ni Paulo?
Yung palakpak ni tita, gusto ko
Patingin ako ng
tumira
ano
na
ni
dito
Chika.
sa Amerika at magkaroon ng pamilya.
Ay, sa Amerika naman pala. Hindi naman sila si Paulo.
Hindi, ang
Ano na,
PG
Pao?
naman kami. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-sexy. Parang ganun tanduay yun. Hindi naman siya ganun lang.
Saan to? Si Paulo tungo oh.
Wow!
Bakit
Tumutuwa
may
si
ganun?
Paolo.
Ba't ibang shape yan? Bakit mas maliit na size?
Feeling ko kayo nagpa-print niyan, no?
Alright, so we have another question. And this one is from Giuseppe. Giuseppe from SoCal Filipinos and PhilAm Creative. Giuseppe. Bisaya mo ba yan eh?
Wow, hello.
Taga Cebu
My
po.
buntag Kim.
May
and
buntag.
Pao. My name is Giuseppe from SoCal Filipinos and PhilAm Creative. Regarding SoCal Filipinos, you met Jason yesterday. He wanted to ask first, like, which cookie did you like better, Jason's or Ginger's?
Cookie.
Pareho masarap. Hindi mo kakain.
Hindi ko pa natitikman.
Ah.
Hindi ko pa natitikman.
To be determined.
Pero maybe later this day or this evening. But andun lang naman. Hindi ko pa
Aha.
natitikman, but yeah.
Anos naman ni
Phil'am
Paulo.
Creative, from your
Naiyak ako sa
series
trailer nila,
Linlang
dear.
And Secretary Kim, both amazing, intense series. How was the transition from those series to your first debut movie, My Love Will Make You Disappear? Mr. Candidate number 1 and Miss Candidate number 1.
Yes, who will be the winner in this competition? What's the
Ano?
difference? What's the difference? Transition. Syempre, magkaiba naman ng mga tone yung mga projects na nagawa namin. Linlang was very heavy, very dark, about deceit, about panglilinlang, and
What's Wrong with Secretary
tapos
Kim,
What's Wrong with
iba.
Secretary Kim, isa naman siyang adaptation na romantic comedy din. Pero this is an original story and we're very proud to show everyone our versatility sa tandem namin. Parang this project is it gave us a different challenge pero rewarding sa afterwards kasi we get to show the people who love us, who support us, a new side of our tandem. So, medyo kakaiba yung mapapanood nila dito. Maraming smile from
Ay,
Paolo
malapit sa...
Molino.
Maraming smile from Pau Pau. Di mo kaya?
Sir, I would say coming from Linlang, which was tackling infidelity, and it was so intense. And I'm sure if some of you guys have seen Linlang, it was nothing sweet at all. So I never really expected us
Oo
to
nga,
come
no?
up
Wala
with,
talagang
several
sweet yung
projects
linlang.
afterwards.
Oo nga.
But yeah.
Wala talaga.
I always try
Ngayon
to
ko lang
find
na-realize din.
or to mix things up and find something new that I can offer every time I enter a project. And I would say like, My Love Will Make You Disappear.
What's Wrong
I would
with
say it's like a
Secretary Kim?
mashup of the intensity of Linlang and the romance of Linlang and the lightness of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. So it's a mix of both. It's definitely lighter, but I would say this movie has a lot of heart. And if you've seen Secretary Kim, mas Pinoy naman tong what nahalo ka na. My Love Will Make You Disappear. So yung mga dilemmas and sentiments are very, very Filipino and napagdadaanan ng mga not just the young people but even mga kaidaran natin.
Okay. Ay, may ads pa talaga si ate.
Winner. Alright, so Rosel de Guzman of Kim Pao Team Abroad has a question for both Kim and Paolo. Rosel, hello.
Hi, good morning. Welcome
Good
back
morning.
to California, and congratulations on your movie.
Thank you.
This is for Kim. Given the chance, what are your current life aspirations after fulfilling all your heart's desires?
Oh, ayan.
Seeing your family thrive and achieving financial security?
Yeah.
What more do you desire from yourself at this point?
Ayan na siya.
Ano na yan? Tsaka maanghang sa eyes. Uy! Hindi. Ano
Bakla ka
naman,
talaga, Kim.
I'm very lucky to be in this lifetime na parang hindi man naging okay yung childhood ko, pero parang naitama naman siya. Uy, baka magkaiyakan pa tayo
Oo.
dito. Charot lang. Naging okay naman siya along the way through
Naging
hard
okay
work,
naman.
through tapang ng sarili kung kakayanin o hindi. Through ABS-CBN na rin. My heart and yun, yung suporta ng pamilya ko. Tapos sobrang okay naman na sila lahat ngayon. As a
Pero-
proud parent, di pala parent, sister, I'm very happy sa naging, desire ko lang talaga, as of this moment, ay maging successful yung My Love Will Make You Disappear. Kasi, ang dami talagang napagdaanan ng movie na to, and pinaghandaan talaga naming mabuti. And then, nagkaroon pa kami ng bagong blessing na naka-release siya worldwide in 34 countries and counting. So, sobrang ang laki ng movie. Ang wish ko lang talaga ay maging successful to. Marami yung makapanood, hindi man sa mga Pilipino and hindi Pilipino. So, nakaka-proud. Yun lang talaga yung desire ko. Lord, please, give it to us. Wow, give it to us! Give it to me. Charot lang.
Give it to them.
Yeah.
All right, Rosel, you have one more question from Paolo.
Sorry for Paulo. After patiently waiting for 15 years to work with Kim Chu, what were your expectations and how did your professional relationship begin?
Oo nga eh.
Ang lalim na.
15 years. Yep. When I first transferred to ABS-CBN, actually hindi ko na naalala yung interview na yun, pero given how I think, I was thinking then, Kim was very bubbly and parang
Ay.
she's so pleasant to watch on TV, so I wanted to work with her. But so many things happened along the way and parang yun, nabigyan na rin ng pagkakataon sa wakas during Linlang when we were looking for the cast for Juliana. So maraming na-considered. Medyo nagulat rin ako nung lumabas yung name ni Kim. Tinanong ko kaagad sa producers namin and director kung nabasa na ba ni Kim yung script.
Ay, kasi may
kaya niya
kiss.
Parang yun naman. Sabi ko,
Nagdudahan mo ba ako?
Ay,
kasi
oo.
medyo mainit.
Mainit.
Yung mga eksena. But, ayun nga, kaya naman daw ni Kim. So I was excited. I always see Kim sa mga ASAP shows and stuff, but we never got to really mingle together dahil hindi rin naman ako nagsasalita at hindi rin naman ako nakikihalubilo masyado. Pero I'm happy and glad, and now that I got to work with her, parang mas na-appreciate ko si Kim dahil medyo pareho kami ng work ethics. Mabilis
Yan.
akong kumilos pagdating sa trabaho, gusto ko maayos lahat and very organized. And parang yun rin yung nakita ko kay Kim. Kasi alam niyo naman yung mga artista minsan, di ba? Parang babagal kumilos, nag-makeup pa, nagre-retouch pa, nagbibihis pa.
Sino yan?
Marami.
Welcome to the bus.
Hindi ka naman sinasabi na negative yun, pero mahirap talaga
Napakatotoo
mag-artista
niya
dahil
talaga.
Ang daming kinukunan na eksena sa isang araw. At syempre, yung mga in-betweens yung kailangan nila mag-ayos. But ayun, natuwa ako na maganda yung work ethics ni Kim. So, nung dumating yung mga pagkakataon na nabigyan kami ng pagkakataon mag-work ulit after Linlang, parang hindi na ako nagdalawang isip na mag-yes sa mga project na yan.
Sa rom-com.
Ayan guys, di ba puring-puri ni Paolo ang work of ethics ni Kim Chu dahil sabi nga niya yung iba tinanggap niya agad dahil because of the kapitin. Dito
Biased. I'm supposed not to be affected by feelings when I write my stories. And my secret is separately. First, I've been a secret fan of Paula.
Ay!
Paolo.
And then later on of Kim, when I saw Secretary and Linlang and all that, and now both of you. So I don't know, should I recuse myself from writing this story because I should not be affected by my feelings? I love you both.
Ay!
Thank you. First of all, ma'am, baka pwede niyong ipamana sa new love niyo yung mga mana. Kasi mahal na tayo. I'm kidding, ma'am, but go.
What we are feeling at this very moment, syempre we're very thankful para makarinig ng mga ganyang stories that yun nga po nung asawa niyo po 10 years ago. So parang, and kami ni Pao made you happy kahit papano, naibsan yung kalungkutan. Actually, yun talaga yung purpose namin talaga. Gusto talaga namin magpasaya na maraming tao. And isa na po kayo doon. And thank you for saying that to us dahil it really means a lot. Kasi pag nakakita kami ng mga ganyan or nakakarinig kami ng stories, medyo lagi siya, parang OA siyang, lagi siya sinasabi, oh wow, nakakatuwa naman. Pero sobra po talagang impact sa amin yung nakakadagdag po ng inspiration na yung ginagawa namin na to is hindi lang para sa sarili namin, kundi na nire-reflect din namin yung kasiyahan namin. Wow, kasiyahan namin sa maraming tao. And that's
Ewan ko
what
sa'yo,
keeps us
Kim.
going. Parang hindi nakakapagod na gawin ito kasi meron kaming napapasayang maraming tao. And next is message to all the fans. Thank you so much. Alam, sobrang yes, kasi nakikita namin yung mga banners na yan sa mall show namin sa Pilipinas. Pero nakakatuwa kasi meron din banner dito sa Los Angeles, California. So hindi lang pang Philippines, meron din sa
Bakla ka
America.
talaga, Kim. Wisit.
So yung mga nakakatuwa kasi parang di ba, hello Tito, Kim Pao Republic, mabuhay po kayo. Ayan, Kim Pao The Other Side, mga Kim Pao Universe,
Team Abroad.
Kim Pao Team Abroad,
Kim Pao Cebu,
Kim Pao Cebu, Kim Chu Global, yung
International.
binaba
Ay, tapos na ba yun? I think tapos na yun. Tingnan natin. Yeah, tapos na talaga siya. Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Naging emotional naman ako for today's video. So yeah, panoorin pa natin ibang interview nila. This is KJ Pa Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!